Tennant 6100 Ride-on Floor Sweeper. In this video, we will show you how to operate the Tennant 6100 Ride-on Floor Sweeper. The Tennant 6100 main function is to only sweep the ground floor of FCA and should not be used on the first or second floor. The Tennant 6100 is equipped with 2 brushes and 1 vacuum pipe. The main sweep brush is under the machine and the side brush is to increase the sweep path or to sweep closer to the corners. These basic checks need to be performed before and after using the machine. Run the filter shaker for 10 seconds to shake off the dust. Empty the hopper. At the rear of the machine, turn the retaining clip. Remove and check if it's empty. Empty the hopper in the general waste outside dock 27. Replace the hopper and turn the retaining clip shut. Check the vacuum hose that it is not blocked. Remove the hose, and inspect the hose as well as the bend on the machine. Replace the hose if all is clear. Check the vacuum hose filter bag that it is not full and replace the bag if needed. Getting familiar with the controls. To control the speed and direction, press on the directional pedal. The harder you press the pedal, the faster the speed. To propel forward, press the top of the directional pedal with your toe, and to go backward, press the bottom of the pedal with your heel. Taking your foot off the pedal will stop the machine. To slow or stop the sweeper, press the brake pedal. The pedal on the left is for the debris flap. When you see larger debris, push the pedal to open the flap and release the pedal closing the flap. Next to your seat is the main brush lever, which controls the position of the main brush. Pull the lever to the right and back. This lowers the main brush position. To raise the main brush, push the lever up and to the left. Looking at the main control panel, the similar brush lever is to control the side brush. To lower the side brush, pull the lever to the left and forward to move the brush to the down position. To raise the brush, pull the lever to the back and clip to the right. Another feature on the control panel is the ignition key, which turns the machine on by fully turning the key to the right. The power kill switch is to be used if the machine needs to be immediately turned off. Turn the switch knob in the direction of the arrow to release the switch and restart the machine. The battery discharge indicator shows the charge level of the battery. The indicator to the right displays the battery is fully charged, and the indicator to the left the battery is low, and it needs to be charged. To charge the machine, park the machine in its parking bay and turn the machine off. Open the operator seat, unplug the battery from the machine, and plug in the charger to the cables connected to the battery. This button sounds the horn. The light switch is used to turn on the hazard light. Before sweeping, pick up any plastic wrap, twine, pieces of broken pallet or anything that might get caught up on the brush or damage the machine. To start sweeping, get comfortable in the seat and adjust your position using the seat adjustment lever. Place your foot on the brake, turn the key clockwise to start it up, and turn on the lights required. To start the vacuum fan and brushes, turn on the switch and lower both the main and side brush into place. For best results, the sweep speed must be the same as the walking pace. The Tennant 6100 is capable of doing sharp turns, and precautions when turning past posts, barriers, or beams must be taken to avoid hitting obstacles. Always ride past the obstacle before turning. The filter shaker is to be used periodically to shake off dust from the filter, which will ensure maximum performance. If you see larger debris ahead, press the debris trap pedal to allow it into the brush compartment. The vacuum hose on the side can be used for small debris that cannot be reached with the sweeper. Remove the hose from the carriage and it will turn on automatically. Replacing the hose onto the carriage will turn off the vacuum hose. When completed with using the Tennant 6100, the before and after checklist must be performed before placing the Tennant 6100 back in its charging bay. This video was brought to you by Housemeister's Picnic FCA.